We have a responsibility to shape the world we want to live in. It's in our nature, deeply rooted in our culture, and it affects everything we do. It's a passion that drives us to lead the development of truly sustainable people transport solutions with genuine respect and care for the environment. It's in our nature. A century-long devotion to the safety and well-being of passengers, drivers, customers, in fact, entire cities and countries. And we never give up. We'll continue our never-ending quest, together with partners and society, to solve the common challenges ahead. It's in our nature. Together, we shape the world we want to live in.